So, I didn't record that much yesterday, so that's why this is a 2-for-1 vlog or video. What is that sound? Oh, that's the clock. I thought that was my teacher coming. Yeah, I'm the only one in here. And I see that we're real close to one of my sophomore teacher's aides. She's a teacher now. She's like ugly as hell. Like her breath is just like, get the fuck out of my face, your breath. That's what type of breath it is. But yeah, this is a 2-for-1 vlog. That's it. I forgot to say that we're getting out of school early. Like June 1st. Because I guess, well, my grandma told me that ramen menu don't want to give CPS no money. So we got in school early. But, I mean, that's a good thing. But, we got to start school early. That's a fucked up part. I'm just like, fuck.
What this is saying then is that just as you don't know how you manage to be conscious, how you manage to grow and shape this body of yours, that doesn't mean to say that you're not doing it. Equally, you don't know how the universe shines the stars, constellates the constellation, and galactifies the galaxies. You don't know. But that doesn't mean to say that you aren't doing it in just the same way as you're breathing without knowing how you breathe.
Hell no, dude. Fuck, man. Can't even fucking see, dude. It's raining hard as hell.